Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Cade and I am back again with Dr. Duane, and we just put a video out yesterday and we had such a great response to it. So many people were happy about it that it got our wheels spinning, and we wanted to take another shot at this here to say hello and to just fill you guys in on where our hearts are at, where our heads are at, again, just in the last day with the patients that we've seen. So what do we have to share with them? We've got two exciting things to share, don't we?
Yeah, I mean, a big thing is we know this is stressful for all of us. I mean, I know we try and keep our cool when we're in clinic, but we have families too, so we know this is, stressful physically for people, emotionally, and financially. So, we came up with a couple ideas how our clinic could help combat all three of those.
So we want to remove as many hurdles as possible that we can, that many of you are facing right now, to be able to help and to be able to serve and to be able to be there for you and walk this journey with you. So first things first, for all of our existing patients, for people that are on regular wellness care, what we both want to make sure that we're saying is we're going to encourage you to keep your appointments. We know that when you're getting adjusted, what that's doing is boosting up the immune system, and we talked about that in the last video. It's also helped balancing out your system between the fight or flight system and your resting, digesting, and healing. It'll help get your physiology out of a stressful, fear-based state and help your body, again, get back to balance. So we know that. So for all of our patients that are on maintenance and wellness care, please keep your existing appointments. But what we're going to do is offer that if you feel like you need any extra support to help your system get out of fear or to help boost up your immune system, we will be paying for any extra adjustments that you feel you need. Or we might even say that we think you need an extra one. And between myself and Dr. Duane, we're going to take care of those extra visits if you are already on regular care in our office. Again, I think that's a huge step for us. We want you to know that we're going through this with you. We're here to support you, and this is just one of the many ways that we can do it, okay? So no questions asked. Again, if you feel like you need extra support, let us know. Give us a call. Tell us here. Make the appointment with our front desk staff, with Grandpa up front, and we will take care of that. So you want to share with them what we're going to do for new patients?
Yeah, I mean, new patients, we want to make it as easy as possible as getting your family in or friends or anybody out there who has had similar conditions to what you've had, either lower back, neck, back pain, dizziness, vertigo. We don't want you guys to stay at home and live with this. And now, for new patients, what we're going to do is give them 50% off of their initial exam. So at least it's a little bit easier for you guys to come in, a little easier financially, and hopefully that takes a little bit of the stress off of the current situation here. So usually that's $100. We'll be doing it for $50, and any treatment or therapy on top of that we'll take care of there. So I think the other big thing that we need to talk about is, I mean, what does it look like when they're having issues where they need to come in, and when's the time when they should not be coming in?
So that's another great call too. So if you're concerned about getting out of the house, you can always make a phone call. So we will absolutely, we've always offered to new patients a free 15-minute consult to know that, is this the right fit? Do we have the tools here to help you? Again, whatever symptom you're dealing with, you mentioned a few already, headaches and neck pain, back pain, a herniated disc, whatever it is that, that you're dealing with. If you want to know if we can help, we'll schedule a time, we'll schedule a free 15-minute consult with one of us doctors, and we'll make sure that we feel confident that we can help you before you come on in. And again, spend time, spend the money here to be here. So that's one of the things. And then how do we know if they need extra support? Was that the other question that you asked?
No, when should they not be coming in? Obviously with the scare of COVID-19, is there a time where if they're experiencing symptoms that are similar to that, should they not be going out and infecting other people?
Yeah, so I think that's a really tough call. And again, we talked about this a little bit in our video yesterday, the difference between trying to modify our environment versus trying to build up the health of the body. And so again, if you feel like you've got symptoms, we want you to call us, we want you to let us know. And again, we're going to do everything we can on our side to make sure that you're getting the care that you need to help boost up your immune system. But we also obviously have to take extra precautions here at our office to make sure that everybody is healthy and well, and we're slowing the risk of spreading this thing. But you guys firmly know where we stand. Our job, we are not infectious disease experts. Our job is to help boost up your immune system. Our job is to help balance your fight or flight versus your resting, digesting, and healing states. That's what we do best. And again, we're going to take that extra step to walk this journey with you, to support you and your family the best we possibly can. So if there's questions, call us. If there's emails, send us an email. But I'm Dr. Cade, this is Dr. Duane, and we are so blessed to be a part of the community here in Southwest Florida, and we're doing everything we can to help. So thank you, and we'll see you soon.
Yep, take care.